Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Slack sync problem in 2026. Many users notice that messages don't update, channels don't refresh, or Slack stays stuck on syncing for a long time, which can be very frustrating. First, let's understand why this happens. Slack sync problems are usually caused by unstable internet connections, cache issues, background restrictions, or outdated app versions. Um, Most of the time, it's not a server problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack needs a stable connection to sync messages properly. Switch to a stronger network or restart your router if needed. Step 2. Restart Slack completely. Exit Slack from the system tray, not just the window. Reopening it refreshes the connection with Slack servers. Step 3. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache files can block syncing. Closing Slack and clearing its cache folder often fixes delayed messages instantly. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Slack's real-time sync. Turning them off helps Slack reconnect properly. Step 5. Update Slack. Outdated versions may have sync bugs. Installing the latest update improves performance and stability. If the problem continues, try signing out and signing back in. This resets account sync data. It's a simple but effective fix. So yeah, Slack sync problems usually come from network issues, cache corruption, VPN interference, or outdated apps. Follow these steps and Slack should sync messages normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.